Hi guys! Ayan, nandito na naman kami, nangangapit bahay. Why? Punta kami sa best friend ni Harrison. Kasi wala siyang activity today. Ayan, maghapon kami sa labas.
Yes,
Sobrang init na. 9 o'clock. Ang trabaho namin ngayon, gumala kasi wala silang activity. You? Okay, you tell mommy.
Mommy always cut my hair.
Yeah. I don't know why. Aray! Esme! Magandang araw. Walang ulan. Today is sunny.
So fast.
Today is sunny day. Ay, Esme. Where's Coco? Harrison! Ha!
This what London is.
This is Tower 1.
No, 2. 1, 2.
Yeah, Tower 1. Harrison and me go there to attend party. Before. Coco.
Is this real?
Yeah. This is not fake. This is real. Yeah.
How else?
Ay, 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 ay. Oh my God. Oh my God. You want to go to the panda park? It's there.
London is 1, 2.
No. Dandan is Tower 7. Mamaya guys, punta kami dyan sa clubhouse nila. Dyan sila maglaro. Maganda dyan magtampay kasi naka-aircon. Yeah. Esme, that's what I told you. Have a time to open the clubhouse. I think open already now. Yeah, but go to first the Dandan house. I think just waiting in the lobby.
What is lobby?
The downside.
Oh, you know it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ay, you put there, Harrison.
You know what is pata?
Just go to Taipa, the shuttle bus.
Go to Taiwan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And then go to Jollibee.
Yeah.
Why her is the
Have free shuttle bus? Because
why her so good?
Yeah.
Fast.
because
And then her pay was so happy.
because all the people here is rich.
Huh?
Yeah, rich people. The auntie tell me. The auntie used the one card and tap, and then Harrison first, you and me, and then the auntie the last.
What Tata.
She yes, she choose one card for bus. No money, just card. The auntie have own card. Yeah, just Tower 7. What tutut?
Why have two?
Yes, because so many people. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon. It's good, the weather. Because yesterday a little bit rain. Boy. Boy. Just wait. Yeah, here. Harrison. Moy moy. Just for car. Ayan, nag-away na naman. Away na naman yan sila. Esme! Come back! You go inside. Come! Harrison! Hoy! Esme! If you go inside, don't play like that, ah. Very noisy. The people angry. Okay? Ayan guys, nandito kami sa lobby, naantay namin yung ano. Yeah, you waiting here. Sit with me. Huh? Sleeper have her own room. I think with Dandan can walk there inside. Pasaway talaga. Yeah, it's better to stay here because cannot go up. Just go to the clubhouse now. What? Yung best friend niya, oh, kaway-kaway na. You go na. Come here. Where's your auntie? Baby, you big already now.
I can't go to one.
Ay, the auntie said, the auntie, hug auntie, I love you. Why you very big already, oh? The auntie say, go to the clubhouse play.
She said later.
Oh. Your daddy not yet wake up? B, you finish already the swimming?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Only 1 week.
Why? Harrison?
1 week straight. Yeah,
Oh, 1 week only. Ayan guys, mayroon siyang ginawang tea. Unsa nga anite? Paragis ano? Ayan oh, parang paragis. Paragis nga to. O yung tawa-tawa.
Dipot? Tawa-tawa nga. Green.
Oh. Kinuha lang nila yan doon sa ano no?
China.
Sa China.
Ipalit eh.
Ha?
Ipalit eh. Ipalit eh. Nga to, di sila hapon.
Oh. Pero fresh talaga.
Oo.
Si Lola ganyan minsan mga ano dala-dala niya. Tinagbanha na. O sa man mo na nilang pinakatubig sa kadlaw?
Ha?
Una nilang pinakatubig.
Inom lang sila.
Parang for breakfast lang nila na water. Lami si Zoe.
Magbuhat pag nagpupuan.
Ano ba? Tabangan ka na ho.
Magbuhat pag nagpupuan.
Biyakin na. Unsa may yung buhaton?
Di magbuhat sa lulaan niya. Kasi niya ako buhatan na isabaw mo rin.
Uy, magama sa lula ni.
Ha?
Magama. Ti.
Hindi makam-kama.
Hindi yan iutos sa akin. Ayan guys, oh, may tea. Uy, sobrang mahal pa naman siguro ni tea.
Ha?
Parang mahal. Pag nag-travel, pag nag
Usahay kani.
tea maganda kaya kinati. Yung ano, yung dahon.
Usahay kani akong buhaton. Sagon sa lay ma-receive ni ano ni ma.
Apil ka. Sarap siya guys, oh. Tea na parang paragis. Kung sama na, pang overnight na po na inumon. Ugma na.
Pag mahuman na siya, sa kasi mana stop. O kanitanan puro ni lutuon.
Puro tea. Hala, uy. Daghang trabaho diri no? Aga ko bata lang jud ti. Pares karon. Wala man mi activity no. Di mag-more ano lang kami, magwara-wara. Ti pangsop man ni siya, pangsop ni mo ni.
Dili na sabaw.
Ha?
Inumon ra.
Ah. Wala, tinagbanha na lagi. Nagbanha na, oh. Shh. Quiet. Harrison. Ingay na yung dalawa. Don't noisy. Quiet. Ha?
Eat what?
Auntie cooked the rice and food. Because Dandan cannot eat Jollibee because the teeth is, I think,
Watermelon.
you ask. I think the teeth are painful or I don't.
Watermelon.
Hi. Will you play there?
You ask.
You ask the auntie. You ask the auntie later, okay?
Papa.
Don't noisy. You play there.
Wait, go.
Huh? Oh, you play now. You play.
Okay, let's
Ayan. Oh, Dandan give you, oh. Okay? Oh, you play na.